pakita po natin ang
Hello guys, it's Dom Pinti. So nandito tayo sa New World Hotel, nagaganap ng election ng League of Municipalities of the Philippines. So
yun po ang
suggestion na si Mayor
pero siguro kasi mahirap yung
para maging
but let's discuss it further. And again, this is a voluntary, no? Ang suggestion naman po ni Mayor is voluntary depending the availability of funds ng iba't ibang
bayan para sa ating bansa.
But definitely talaga.
Open for nomination. Mayor Titanco, please.
Madam Chair, I respectfully nominate Mayor Inundi of Isabela for the National President.
Okay, Mayor Inundi is nominated.
Heeding the clarion call for solidarity and cooperation within the LMP and across the nation, I move to close the nomination for the National President position. So move.
The nomination is closed for the presidency of Mayor Inundi, both by Mayor from Misamis, from Oriental, and Mayor Gando from Guimaras. No objection, the motion is carried. On that aspect, we have now the new president of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines National. Please let us recognize Mayor Inundi. And on that aspect, may I request Mayor Inundi to please come forward for your proclamation. By virtue of the powers vested upon me by the League of Municipalities of the Philippines as the chair of the election committee, I hereby officially proclaim Mayor Inundi of Isabela as the League of Municipalities of the Philippines Chapter, Philippines National President. Congratulations, Mayor D. Mayor Inundi will be given the blanket authority to select and opt to choose his own members and officers to serve the LMP National 2025 to 2028. Duly seconded. Any objection? Okay, there being no objection, the motion is carried. Mayor Inundi is now authorized by blanket authority of the members of the body to select his own members of officers for LMP National. So ordered. Elected members and officers and the appointed officers of LMP National. Maraming salamat po.
President Congressman J.B. Bermas, palakpakan naman po natin at ang ating chairman, now chairman emeritus ng LMP. Indeed, Mayor, you have laid the foundation for the LMP. And with the responsibility that is bestowed upon me by our members, syempre nais po namin pagpatuloy yung inyong magandang nasimulan. So maraming salamat, Mayor JB. Alam kong nandito ka pa rin susuporta dito sa aming dito po sa ating samahan. At alam kong hindi mo naman din papabayaan ang LMP. Kaya again, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating chairman. Lahat naman po tayo, again, yung intention po natin para sa ating samahan ay iisa. And what I've said then last night, na parang marami na po talaga rin tayong kailangan ayusin pagdating po sa local government. Diba? Firstly, we've been sidetracked pagdating sa budgeting process and yung mga priorities ng ating mga LGUs. The League of Governors also have the same direction. We want our voices to be heard pagdating na po sa budgeting process ng ating national government. And with the recent controversies that has happened in our country, talagang mukhang gano'n na po papunta. Nang sa gano'n ay makita na at maging responsive yung ginagawang mga programa ng ating pamahalaan para sa ating pong mga lokalidad. So we will push for that dito po sa ating pong termino. Among other things. So kanina po, there were a lot of things that I've already said. Gusto ko lang din talagang ulit magpasalamat sa bawat isa po sa inyo for taking the time to be here today. Alam kong effort din po talaga na pumunta dito, lalo na po yung mga ibang president natin na dalawa pa yung flight makaabot ng dito, may Thailand pa. So, alam po namin talagang effort ko. Kaya nga, napapasalamat na po ako, Mayor Jay, na tinuloy natin yung eleksyon kasi talagang sayang naman yung effort ng ating mga kasamahan. And ultimately, syempre gusto naman po natin dito, masaya tayo, maganda yung samahan natin. So, we will make sure na ganito po yung mangyayari sa next 3 years. Diba? Na solid po ang ating LMP. United tayong lahat sa lahat po ng ating mga gustong gawin at mga programa natin. So again, thank you po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat at pag-uwi po. Ngayon, I'd like to recognize Mayor Iggy Romualdo.
Mr. President, the previous administration led by NPJ Governos has achieved a lot of gains for the LMP. And I believe it is proper that we give him the recognition he deserves, Mr. President. Therefore, I move for a resolution awarding the title of Honorary Member and President Emeritus to Honorable Joseph Santonino Bernos.
There's a motion. Second, hearing no objections, motion is approved.